Hey guys, we're showing you this Gourmetop magnetic knife block with sharpener for test and try. We received this and then let's explore. So our first impression that it's a strong magnet. Even with the cover on the knives, it can stick to this and without cover as well, pretty nice. So you can use it anyway, both side magnet, nice looking wood look, and also have a knife sharpener. So here let me just start with the unboxing, that what's you come inside. So this is a nice magnetic multi-row and 12 nice heavy cleaver no slip countertop kitchen organizer for the knives. So let me just take this out and then show it to you. So it's a double-sided dark acacia and a magnetic knife block with a sharpener. So this is around 10.4 inch on the top, 6.3 on the small side, 10 inches on the other side, 9.8 inches on the base, and you see the sharpener on the side, the black one that you can easily use. So I have a anti-slip fit and it sticks the knives very well and easy to clean as well. So see, it can easily hold it. So these are without cover and looks nice as well. Hold like 6 knives around on this side and 6 on the other, so hold up to 12 knives and see like the positioning, so really looks nice. So now comes on the durability. So with the material, it's a really heavy block and it's very portable and looking there. You can easily sharpen your knives as well from the corner and use it alongside. So they have at an angle, you see, that's good for the fit. And then the you know the magnet starts on the top side. So on the lower side there is no magnet, but on the top side it's a big magnetic block that's holding the knives. So here with the cover as well, you see that it's holding the knives very well, and so the magnet is strong, that can even hold the knives without the cover or with the cover. So I like this very well and I really recommend if you are looking for a countertop magnetic knife store organizer. And then it's easy to clean as well along with the knives and the set. You can see it here. So you can easily adjust it and use it the way you want.